Hey, what's happening everybody? It's Vince Hanby from US Guitar Lessons, your #1 source for all kinds of online free video lessons to help you become a better player. In our last segment, we looked at the pentatonic minor scale in A. So, if you couple that lesson, kind of review that lesson first and then come to this lesson, you'll probably have a better frame of reference. Now, just knowing the scales is cool, I guess, but until you can really put them together in a format that's like an applicable format to a song, it's really just kind of finger exercises. So today I'm going to show you how to link a couple of different shapes from the pentatonic scale in a few different ways. The first way is starting up here on the 3rd fret, which is actually an extension of the pentatonic scale, the 5th position. The 5th position, which was down here, if you remember from our last lesson. It's going to basically go. Okay, so now we're going to take that same position and we're going to transpose it up here to the fretboard, because as we know, that anything you start here is going to be an octave higher. If you go 12 frets back, you're basically hitting the same notes. So the riff I'm going to show you basically takes place over 3 separate patterns of the pentatonic form. The 5th shape, which we've brought back here, then the 1st shape, and then the 2nd shape. And this riff goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically what we're doing is starting on the 3rd fret, and we're doing a repeating format. Do 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 do. Alright, that's the first pattern. The second one basically deals right along the bottom strings. So we're going to take only the notes from the bottom string of each shape, and we're going to work our way up the fretboard. So Zakk Wylde does a lot of riffs like this. So basically we got the 1st shape. Last 2 notes from the 2nd shape. Last 2 notes from the 3rd shape. Last shapes from the 4th shape, or the last 2 strings on the 4th shape. And then you're just going to stop on that last note there, which is the very last note of the 5th shape. So you can play that fast or slow or however you like it, but it's just another way of working your way down through the shapes and creating your own licks. That's the idea. The way you become good and recognizable as a player is sitting down, working the jam tracks, working these particular scales and these extensions of scales with a metronome, and just try to come up with your own stuff. Record yourself as well. It's a good way to find out what you're doing that sounds good and what you're doing that you can throw away. So once again, that's going to sound something like this. Alright, thanks for tuning in for today. Once again, it's usguitarlessons.com. We're located in San Diego, California. We have studios in San Marcos and also Rancho Bernardo. So check us out. Come on down and see us and keep practicing. Thanks.